Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to switch to Linux or just want the best distro in 2025, then today's showdown between Fedora, Ubuntu, and Linux Mint, three of the most popular and polished Linux distribution out there. Let's kick off with Ubuntu. Ubuntu remains the go-to for beginners and professionals alike. It is incredibly user-friendly, has massive community support, and comes with snap packages, which makes installing software super easy. In 2025, Ubuntu 24.04 LTS continues to shine with long-term support and stable GNOME desktop. It's perfect for people who want more things to work out of the box. Now, moving on to Fedora. Fedora is a cutting-edge player here. It's known for adopting the latest Linux technologies first. It runs GNOME in its cleanest form and it's ideal for developers and power users. In 2025, Fedora 40 has introduced Wayland improvements, better Flask support, and solid performance. If you want the most modern and secure Linux experience, Fedora might be your guy. And then we've got Linux Mint. Based on Ubuntu but with more traditional Windows-like interface, Mint is lightweight, stable, and doesn't force a snap package on you. In 2025, Linux Mint 22 offers a refined cinnamon desktop with a fewer background service and more control over your system. It's an amazing pick for low-end machine or users who prefers a simple and classic setup. So, what's your final word? If you're a beginner or casual user, go to with Linux Mint. If you want long-term support, wide compatibility, Ubuntu is your best bet. But if you a developer or tech institution, then Fedora will give you that bleeding edge experience. Alright guys, hope this helps clear things out for you. Let me know in the comments which Linux distro you're using in 2025 and why you love it. Don't forget to like video, subscribe for more content like this, and turn on that bell so you don't miss anything. See you in the next one.